Welcome to the Android channel, and this is the Android News Bulletin for Monday, August 13, 2018. And today in our Android news, we have the timeline feature, or basically in Google, what happens is that you can actually turn off tracking. Well, it seems that Google continues to track you even though you turn off tracking and Android. And basically your location history is still there, and some people have done the test. They've gone to see the timeline to see where you've been, and even though the location history is turned off, it still shows up. And it seems that it's because other services within your Android phone are actually tracking you, and Google uses that information, which is kind of a little bit awkward if you want. So anyways, it's something that we'll continue checking out, and I'll be doing a few tests because it's kind of intriguing. A security firm says that out-of-the-box experience from Android phones is a security nightmare. They say that basically when you get new phones, most of them are so outdated in the Android version that just getting on a Wi-Fi could be putting you at risk. Also, a lot of them don't even, when they are actually up to date, have the latest security updates, which also keeps you in a situation where it's pretty complicated to make sure that things stay safe on your Android device. Google Pixel owners, not all of them, but some of them are saying that since they upgraded to Android 9 Pie, the fast charging has been killed off. They say that the device actually charges a lot slower, and that it doesn't seem to affect every Pixel owner, but enough of them actually have just gone in the forums and said, hey, the fast charging is totally broken since Android 9 Pie. If you're a owner of a Sony Android phone, the Xperia phones, there's 6 handsets that will be updated to Android 9 Pie. So if you're wondering which ones they are, they include the XZ2, XZ2 Compact, XZ2 Premium. You also have the XZ1, XZ1 Compact, and XZ1 Premium. And of course, this is to come eventually later this year. So if you have one of these devices, you're a lucky owner of a device that will actually upgrade. Well, Android phones that have SD cards, a lot of them do, my S9 does, maybe are putting you at risk, because it seems that a lot of apps that actually write to the SD card write in such a sloppy way that they leave open potential security flaws that can easily be exploited by a browser or by any apps that might want to do so. And it seems that it is a widespread problem with a lot of apps available through the Google Play Store. And finally, security experts say that on Android devices, you probably should have an antivirus or a malware tool so that you can actually scan your phone from time to time to make sure everything's alright. They're not saying that you need a live or a real-time protection, but they do say that you might need to just, check out things a little bit. And we'll have a couple of videos today on security within Android. I think that will be interesting to look at. And finally, Google Play Store is actually saying when you try to get Fortnite that, well, that thing is not available or will not be available. Kind of not saying that it's available off the store. And it's kind of interesting because there is visibly a lot of tension here. And one of the interesting aspects of this is showing us that Fortnite on Google, because it's on Android, because it's actually bypassing the Google Play Store, just this year, Google will actually miss out on $50 million that it would have had if it would have gone through the Google Play Store. And this was the Android news for Monday, August 13, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up, And stay tuned today. A few videos about Android security. I think that could be very interesting.